If you're a student of mine or you are subscribed to my newsletter, you probably know that we have migrated from Teachable to EzyCourses. Hey, what is up guys? Welcome once again to the channel. It's always great to have you back, and in this video what I want to show you is essentially the new website or platform that we're going to be using from now on in the chemical engineering guy courses. Now, to be honest, I will be making a deeper dive on why I decided to move from Teachable to EzyCourses, but for now, if you're one of my students, I just want to let you know that I decided to make the shift because two main reasons: scalability and the user experience. And please note that this decision wasn't made lightly. I had to make a lot of analysis, try to weigh the strengths and weakness of each platform, and eventually I decided to make this shift. So first thing first, we are right now in the courses tab, and essentially this is a showcase of the most common type of courses, or for instance the membership if you want to check it out: oil and gas courses, Aspen Plus, process simulation, HYSYS, fluid mechanics. All the courses are being showcased here, and I really think it's powerful if you just want to have a overview of the courses. Talking about the membership, guys, for me is by far one of the greatest products we have, because with a single membership you get access to all courses, all the downloads, or the ebooks, and so on. So we have $20 per month subscription. You get access to everything. Or maybe for those that just prefer a single purchase and get access to all current courses and future courses, you have this option. Most of the ebooks are in the digital products right here. So essentially anything that is downloadable is in this library. So you have lots of flyers, you have lots of ebooks, brochures. You got most of the content, for instance, the downloadable resources for this course, and so on. All products are right here. So essentially, this is the main library in which you're going to see either courses or digital products. And also, if you're into categories, you can do it. So if you're into process engineering, if you're into energy, reactors, HYSYS, or so, you can do this as well. It's pretty easy to enroll. For instance, let's go for a free course. One of the most common ones is this one right here, Aspen Plus Getting Started. And you're going to get, well, the thumbnail, of course, the about this course, the trailer, all the theoretical concepts, and of course, all the course content right here. So let's say that you're interested in this. You just click Enroll Now. You select your email and complete the purchase. And well, I think this is pretty straightforward. You can go and check out the individual courses. So this is the trailer or the welcome video. There's a, before you start, a overview. Very important to show you guys that we have several information right here. Always ensure to check it out. These self-evaluations or quizzes, let it be, these are tests. So this is important if you want to get a certificate. Talking of certificates or diplomas, guys, you must ensure to finish all the content. So I go here, and as you can see, I try to click into the certificate, and it will tell me that you need to complete the previous lesson to access it. Technically, you need to complete all the course in order to be able to get the certificate of completion. If there's any problem or so, just let me know and I can issue a manual certificate for you guys. And that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you in this video. Just the quick news that we have shifted from Teachable to EzyCourses. I hope you enjoy the new platform, and I will be checking out that all runs smoothly on the backstage, so everyone is happy with their studies and engineering training. If you have some doubts, questions, or anything you want to say, just let me know in the comment sections, and I will be replying you as soon as possible. More videos are coming soon. Thanks for your support, and thanks a lot for your patience. On my behalf, that will be it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Love is clean and love is pure. And love is the thing that no doctor can cure.